Hello friend, myself R.D. Mahajan, Assistant Professor MIT Aurangabad, discussing, presenting my video on the topic change the order of integration and evaluate. Let us see the first example. Change the order of integration and evaluate integral from 0 to 1, integral from x to 2x of 1 with respect to xy. Uh, the concept of change the order of integration is with the help of this region, with the help of these limits, we try to obtain the region of integration, and in that region of integration, we show the elementary strip. Here, the inner limits are for y equal to x to y equal to 2x, and then whatever the result is then integrated between x equal to 0 to x is equals to 1, and therefore showing that all curves to get that region of integration, y equal to x, a line passing through origin, another line is y equal to 2x, therefore line above that line this is y equal to 2x. Then strip is parallel to y-axis between these two lines, therefore making the strip parallel to y. Okay, and then that strip is moved between x is equals to 0. X equals to 0 means y-axis to x is equals to 1, a line parallel to y-axis at a distance 1. Okay. That line. Then the region of point of integration of all these lines. First one is origin. Coordinates are 0, 0. Next, this is the line x is equals to 1. Therefore, this point of intersection is x is 1, then y is also 1, as it is intersecting with the line y equal to x. Next, x is 1, then y equal to 2x, we get y equal to 2. Therefore, shade the region of integration. Therefore, we show that region. Okay, then we have to change the order. Original strip is parallel to y-axis. We have to change it. We have to make it parallel to x-axis, and therefore I will show that strip parallel to x-axis. This is one strip, and this is the point where that region is divided in two parts. Therefore, I will make a dotted line to separate that region. Lower end lies on this line and upper lies on y equal to x. If you go above this line, the second curve is changed, and therefore we have to show one more strip. Okay, therefore when we change the strip, region is divided in two parts. For reference, we call it as region 1 and region 2. To change the order of integration, we have to change the strip. We have to change the strip. Making strip parallel to x-axis region is divided in two parts. Therefore, that integral I is sum of the two integrals I1 and I2. For reference, we call this as region 1 and the second one is region 2. Okay, and therefore we try to find out for region 1 that integral I1 becomes first integration is with respect to x when we change that order of integration. Therefore, first integration with respect to x, then with respect to y. Limits for x. Lower end lies on the line y equal to 2x, means x is equals to y by 2. Upper end lies on the line y equal to x, means x is equals to y. Then moving that strip where region starts and where region ends, therefore we move it in upward direction for y equal to, at this point y equal to 0, to y equal to, at this point y is 1. Okay, and therefore it is equals to integral from 0 to 1 as it is. Integration of dx is x, limit from y by 2 to y, and then its integration with respect to y. It is equals to integral from 0 to 1. Substituting the upper and lower limit. Upper limit is y, lower limit is y by 2. Its integration with respect to y. 1 minus 1 by 2. We get 1 by 2 as constant term outside. Integration from 0 to 1 of y with respect to y, and therefore it is equals to 1 by 2 as it is. Integration of y is y square by 2, substituting the limits 0 and 1, and therefore we get it become 1 by 4. Upper limit for y is 1, 1 square is 1, lower limit is 0, and therefore we get that value as 1 by 4. If we call this as equation 1, equation 2, the value of I1, the value of double integration over the region 1 is 1 by 4. Then we try to perform for region 2. Over region 2, we get I2. Again, first integrating with respect to x and then with respect to y. Lower end lies on the line y equal to 2x, means we get x is equals to y by 2. Upper end lies on this line whose equation is x is equals to 1. whatever that result, then integrated with respect to y. For that we have to move the strip from this line up to this line in upward direction for y. Therefore y equal to, at this point y equal to 1, and 2, this point y is 2. We get the limits, and then performing as per that limit, integral from 1 to 2 as it is. Integration of dx is x, limits from y by 2 to 1, and then its integration with respect to y. Integral from 1 to 2, substitute upper limit 1 minus y by 2, its integration with respect to y, and therefore integrating each term with respect to y, we get y minus integration of y by 2 is y square by 2, and at previous 2 it becomes y square by 4, limit from 1 to 2. Substituting the upper and lower limit, for the first term it is 2 minus 1 minus 1 by 4, upper limit square 2 square 4 minus lower limit square 1 square, and therefore 2 minus 1 is 1 minus 1 by 4, 4 minus 1 we get 3, 4 minus 3 by 4, we get that value as 1 by 4, value of that I2, we call it equation 3, and therefore substituting that value in equation 1, that I becomes I1 plus I2, the value of I1 is 1 by 4, value of I2 is also 1 by 4, twice of 1 by 4, we get that value as 2 by 4, means 1 by 2 as the required answer. This is the way in which we change the order by changing the strip, and as per the new strip we perform the double integration. Here that region is divided in two parts, region 1 and region 2, and that's why I have shown two separate strips parallel to x-axis. We find I1 for region 1, we find I2 for region 2, and then sum of that two as the value of that double integration. Okay. If you are watching my videos, please like and share it, as well as subscribe to my channel for latest updates or new videos. Thank you very much.